Hello, future engineers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're still new to my channel and you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to share my videos to your friends and to your friends' friends, to your younger brothers and sisters who would want to take up engineering in the future, and to your relatives. That's one way you can keep me going, inspired, and refreshed. Now, if you find my videos interesting and important to your studies, also please don't forget to subscribe. So let's have solution to equations in one unknown. Solve for x, y, or z, whichever appears. So there are 10 exercises here. If you want to anticipate the solutions, then you may do so by pausing the video and you just check your answers with the provided answers here. And that should be the thing that you should do in order to enhance your skills in algebra. So for the first part, let's have it 2ay minus 3by equals 4a plus 5c after transposition. So 2ay minus 3by equals 4a then plus 5c. Factor out y in the left side. So we have y times quantity 2a minus 3b equals 4a plus 5c. Dividing everything by 2a minus 3b, then the left side becomes y, and the right side becomes 4a plus 5c over 2a minus 3b. So that's the value of y. Y times 2a minus 3b over 2a minus 3b, so that's y in the left side. So therefore, y is quantity 4a plus 5c over 2a minus 3b. So that's the value of y, and for the solution to be valid, the denominator should not be 0. That is, 2a should not be equal to 3b. So again, the denominator should not be 0. So the restriction is 2a should not be equal to 3b. For the second part, we write this as 7x minus 5ax equals d plus 8 after transposition. So factor out x. So we have x times quantity 7 minus 5a equals d plus 8. Dividing everything by 7 minus 5a, then we can now solve for x, which is d plus 8 over 7 minus 5a. So d plus 8 over 7 minus 5a, just like what we did here in problem 1. So for this solution to be valid, the denominator should not be 0, so the value of a shouldn't be equal to 7 over 5. So the restriction a should not be equal to 7 over 5. Next, we divide everything by 3, left side and right side. So 3x over 3 equals c over b divided by 3. So the left side becomes x, the right side is c over b times reciprocal of 3, which is 1/3. So c over b times reciprocal of 3, which is 1/3. Therefore, x is c over 3b. And b should not be 0 for the solution to be valid. Next, we multiply both sides by the LCD, which is a. So this becomes 2x equals a times b, so ab. Dividing everything by 2, so x is ab over 2. X is ab over 2, or 1/2 of ab. Next, the LCD here is BD, so we multiply everything or both sides by BD. So the left side becomes, after we cancel B, is ADX, and the right side is B times C. So the left side is ADX, the right side is BC. So ADX equals BC, divide everything by AD. So ADX over AD equals BC over AD. So the left side becomes X, so X is BC over AD. Next, the LCD. Number 6, the LCD is AC. Multiply both sides by AC. Then after simplification, the left side, the first term becomes 2AB. Then minus 3CX equals 0. So 2AB minus 3CX equals 0. Then this becomes negative 3CX equals negative 2AB after transposition. Since negative over negative is positive, so 3CX equals 2AB. Divide everything by 3C. So 3CX over 3C equals 2AB over 3C. So the left side becomes X, and X therefore is 2AB over 3C. Here the LCD is 3. Multiply everything by 3. So this becomes a square x, then minus 6a cubed equals 0. So a square x minus 6a cubed equals 0. Transpose negative 6a cubed to the right, so a square x equals 6a cubed. Divide everything by a square, both sides, so a square x over a square equals 6a cubed over a square. Then the left side is x, the right side is 6a cubed over a square is 6a, so x is 6a. The LCD for problem 8 is 4bc. Multiply everything by 4bc. So distribute, it is abc minus 12x equals 0. So a 4bc times a over 4 is abc. Then 4bc times negative 3x over bc is negative 12x. Of course, 0 times 4bc is 0. So abc minus 12x equals 0. Then negative 12x equals negative abc. So negative abc over negative 1, negative 1, so positive. So this is 12x equals abc. Divide both sides by 12. So 12x, x therefore is abc over 12. So we just divide everything by 12 and put the answer. This is the answer because we already have the same experiences in the preceding problems. Next is LCD is b. Multiply everything by b of quantity x over b minus 2x equals 3. So this is x minus 2bx equals 3b. X minus 2bx equals 3b. Factor out x, so x times quantity 1 minus 2b equals 3b. Divide everything by 1 minus 2b, so x therefore is 3b over 1 minus 2b. And for this solution to be valid, the denominator should not be 0, so b should not be equal to 1 half. Again, b should not be equal to 1 half. That's the restriction. Here, the LCD is 3AC. Multiply everything by 3AC. So, distribute. We have 15AC, then minus 9CX equals 2AX. 15AC minus 9CX equals 2AX. Transpose CX to the right, or so 15AC equals 2AX plus 9CX. Factor out x. 15AC equals x times 2a plus 9c. Divide everything by 2a plus 9c. So therefore, x is 15ac over 2a plus 9c, because in the right side, what is left is x. So x is 15ac over quantity 2a plus 9c. So that's it for this video. I hope that you were able to follow the explanations and the solutions. And I hope that you little by little enhance your skills in solving equations in one unknown.